These guys have finished everything. Now we are here. No, guys. Then I must buy a butter now. You finished everything. The fridge is empty, ma'am. Everything. Everything. I can't. You should go back to school.
It's like me. My son is
Yeah.
24 years. He come to visit for Christmas. And he's eating the whole day.
She's eating the whole day. Everything.
Now, this morning he put on his shirt. He said, no, this shirt is too tight. I said, yeah, stop eating. Stop
Yes,
eating.
yes. Then we live now on our YouTube channel. Then we saying to these kids they must go back to school. If they must go back to school because they are eating a lot. And I just want to show South Africans it's not us. Maybe everyone has a problem. Okay, guys, you're gonna take the Vienna, then we go home. No.
Today.
No, tomorrow. Groza tomorrow, not today. No. No groza for you today. You finished everything. You can only afford the French now. Paloni or nothing. Guys, paloni or nothing or I don't buy. Because you take the chicken paloni ramai. That's your groza.